Don't let him do that, honey. Does that feel good, you think?
First time to the beach.
This feels good. Do you think you'll be able to shake that stuff off? Okay, come on, get him up, honey. It shakes off pretty good.
Can we take them to the beach?
Not yet. Let's go to the bathroom.